to be followed by a welcome song and then Bible reading and prayer by Deifisha Nonglang from UKG.
Thank you, Balai for kind words and warm welcome. Your welcoming gestures have made our transition so much smoother. Now, I invite our students of FGM school to present us with the welcome song. After the welcome song, I request the Deifisha Nonglang to be ready for the Bible reading and prayer. Thank you.
I request them to come stage. Let's give them a round of applause as they take the stage.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. It really means a lot. Thank you once again. Please put your hands together as I invite our next performer, Nalarampi Group, to come on stage and charm us with their power. A big round of applause for them once again.
And to my entire dear friends. My name is Deifisha Lyngkhoi of class 6.
Let us all put our hands together as a guest of honor take the stage.
I'm here today as a proud and grateful student to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have made this event possible.
I'm going to sing and I'm presenting you a song, and the title of the song, When God Make You My Mother.